Verifying your SHEIN account is an important step to ensure secure shopping and access to exclusive features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SHEIN website or open the app and log into your account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find verification options. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled account verification or identity verification. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Submit required information. Follow the prompts to submit the necessary information for verification. This may include uploading a government-issued ID or providing additional personal details. Step 5. Confirm verification status. After submitting your information, check back in the account settings to confirm your verification status. You may receive an email notification once the process is complete. Once you have completed these steps, your SHEIN account should be verified, allowing you to enjoy a smoother shopping experience.